So let's look at the build quality of this lens really quick, and then I'll show some images that I took with this lens, and then I'll show you some video that I took with this lens. So it's got a metal lens hood. It's heavy. It's heavier than the 27mm Fuji lens. That's got autofocus. You get this little gap right here where sand or dust could get in. It turns pretty smoothly right now. But yeah, well-made lens. Very heavy.
What's up, guys? We're on the Fuji XE4 with the Opteka 28mm F2.8, and honestly, this is not something that I could ever use, because we're in bright sunlight. I can't see if I'm in focus or not on this tiny little screen. Maybe if you had a huge monitor that you could kind of hold over here, but that's just too much for any type of a vlogging video or anything like that. I mean, if you're really close, about this close, you could actually see if you're in focus or not, sort of, but it is, again, in bright sunlight. Let me see what it says. Let's put it right in between 2 meters and infinity. Take a step back. I mean, I just can't see at all what's going on here. I know I'm shirtless, but you know, it's the middle of December and it's really nice out, so I don't get an opportunity to be shirtless all the time at this point, so I'm gonna soak up some sun while I do these reviews. So yeah, that's the Opteka. I'll show some pictures from this lens in just a second, and yeah, see what you guys think. I like that it's 2.8, you know, it's flat, it's small, it's better than a lot of the other small pancake options like the 18mm F6.3 or that per gear 10mm was it F10 or F11? Was that F11? I don't know. But it's better than those because it lets in a little more light. You can actually use it in low light. But for like vlogging or talking head type videos, you really need autofocus that is reliable. I just can't, I could never use this for this type of video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos. I've got reviews coming on every single Fuji lens. So hope you guys enjoy this, and thanks for watching.
Thank you.